Hi, Fern again from First Hands Health Careers. Today I have Rick Bailey and he's going to demonstrate how to provide denture care.
My name is Ricky and I'm here to show you the proper way to do oral hygiene known as dental care. May I come in?
Come on in.
Hey Fern, how you doing? My name is Ricky. Assisting you in your oral hygiene, okay? First I gotta wash my hands. Oh, I have to get my basin, my toothpaste, and my toothbrush to do her oral hygiene. Then I take it over here to the sink. You have to line the bottom of the bowl so as if you drop the person's dentures or anything, they won't get damaged. It can't be too cold. It's got to be sort of like a lukewarm. Turn this on. Get your dentures. You put the dentures in the sink. Then you take your toothpaste and your toothbrush. You take the dentures, making sure that you clean each and every part of the denture. Outer, inner, same applies. That's the whole thing. And when you're done, you rinse your dentures off. Okay, make sure your water is cool as it goes into the cup. Okay, there you are. Clean off the tube. Keep your gloves in a ball. Throw them away. Put your supplies back up. My name is Ricky. Once again, that's the correct and proper way to do dental care from First Hands.